please check out our shirt on Teespring.
Hey folks, guess what? I'm going to open a Journey to the Star Wars, the Rise of Skywalker 2019 trading cards. Rise of Skywalker was my least favorite Star Wars movie of all time, in my opinion. Good fighting scenes, but it was the worst. She come up one bonus pack. I found bonus pack. And it comes with, looks like we'll see what's inside. So this is the first time opening this kind of pack. This is what it looks like inside. Should be number cards, autographs. So what I've seen, they have like different cards from different movies from Star Wars. Anakin Skywalker, stand up. So you buy this. Ooh, this kind of those puzzle cards, I think. Okay. Yeah, the pass. So some of them come with number cards. On the back, it kind of looks like, 70s style. So it's not just Carl, you got the whole cast of the Galaxy Reborn. You got Return of Jedi, Han Solo, Princess Leia, beautiful thing. My first card. Oh, it's kind of cool arts card. Collect all 16 cards. Hobby box. That Raider patch again. Ring, the gray rice. That's the only thing good about the whole movie was that scene. Judgment of Kyle Ren. Okay, that's kind of cool. I tells you the whole, Kyle Ren's new Disney. Okay. These packs are much easier to open. So far, no hits. They saw the marriage, the beloved. Never lose faith. Attack of Taludi. Go to Empire. Got my kind of like cards. I'm not sure. Okay. Collect old 19. Okay, R2D2. Okay. Queen request. Alright. Struck by random search for Skywalker. Bet against Empire. Okay, got a silver card. Number Yoda Empire. Silver versions. Not sure what the difference from the silver different colors. It's just who knows. So let me know what kind of Star Wars movie your favorite. Don't be shy. Leave a comment. Be nice. Okay, got a little artsy card here. Overlook of the Westland. Arkansas. Oh, we got a little, ideal. Data with super leading stoke. Okay. There we go. Losing the X-Fighter. Feature. Okay, that's kind of cool. RT card. So far, no number cards. Oh, Ray. I'm trying to look for autograph. Oh, that's kind of cool. Rule the Galaxy. Look for OK Ren's collect all 3 Star Wars Rise. Cool. Mission relic. I can attack. Fetus. Okay. Collect all 6, 8. Okay. One pack go and the extra pack to open. Okay, get yourself a look. Pretty. Rescue Frozen Night. Good looks for wing. And you got the one pack. 99 get a per card inside. Okay. Genelita. Okay, it's kind of cool, little patch card. So far, no number cards. That's cool. Congratulations. Got a little patch card right there. Okay, thanks for liking, subscribing. Let me know what you think. Maybe do better next time. Thanks for watching.